These traps are all heavy enough to drown the rats. You got a couple of parsnips there for me, buddy?
Yep. Harrison's job is to put the parsnips on the wires.
Yeah. Okay. You stick them on there.
First trap going in the water.
And this pole in here is to make sure traps doesn't float away on us.
That's his little mouth. That's his eyeball. Like a deal.
That's all the food that they're bringing in for the winter.
They're just trying all this small stuff here is just to hold the big stuff down.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And then they'll come out as soon as it freezes over, they'll come out and they'll put air underneath the ice. They'll carry air from the house, put it underneath the ice there, to keep it from freezing down. So you got an air pocket there, so their feed bed doesn't freeze in right solid.
Look at him go! Look at him go! He's so cute.
I know it's hard because of the wind there.
Yeah, the boat's gonna kind of turn on us, but
yeah.
Okay, I think that's gonna be the best trap right there. Grandpa, why do they come up for the parsnips?
The smell, and it's a root vegetable. You know, they like it. That's what they feed on, are the roots of these weeds here.
Right.
So this is actually a root too, so a parsnip is a root, and has a good odor to it. When we get done here, Harry, we're going to set a funnel trap by that beaver house we were at there a while ago. Funnel trap, maybe a couple funnel traps there. They're like a big minnow trap. See, there's an old house in there.
Oh yeah.
And we had one there last year and it was good. They'll use those old beaver houses there and they'll gang up and use those to live in. You see how they built that house way up high on the bank there?
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's in case the water level comes up in the river. Sometimes the river gets really high, so they have to get up on higher ground. Okay.
Hey, we did it.
Yeah, one side done. Well, they swim. The traps are actually underwater because the weight of these logs here will hold the traps.
Oh, we'll
hold
set this one last.
It puts the traps just underwater, and the muskrats can't see the traps. And they just see the parsnip there, and that's what they come for. They put their feet on that little round thing there, and that sets the trap off.
Oh, I can't.
And then they jump off of there into the water, and the trap is heavy enough they can't swim back up again, so they drown. This one here goes right in the middle here. So there, see?
You're gonna stab it into the mud.
Okay, I got it here.
See, you push it in.
Yep.
And then it stays there.
Now, if you can get as close as you can to the beaver house, and I can get out there. Okay, now I got to take a pole here, and I got to feel for the runway. You're good here, Engine.
Right now I'm filming Grandpa.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Found a tunnel here.
How does the funnel trap work?
Well,
It's like a minnow trap?
Just like a minnow trap, yeah.
And that's it? You don't have to put a stick there or anything?
No.
We just look for the floating yellow rope?
Yeah.
Oh, the wind.
Very difficult in the wind, yeah.
I'm going to put the motor down.
Okay, that's as good as we can do in this wind.
Okay.
Not very good, but
it's all right.
That's good there. Yeah, everything is done. All we got to do now is wait and see what happens.
You used to bring Grandma out here.
Yeah, we've had hunting parties in here in the past too. We had a lot of good times here. I had a lot of visitors I brought in here to see the cabin that was always interested in it and everything. So actually my daughter and her husband came in here on their honeymoon. They spent their honeymoon night in here. And in the morning, there was bear paw tracks all over the window here, where you're walking in the mud. But the cabin has held up good all these years, and this was the maximum size we were allowed to build according to M&R policy. but it was big enough. We had a bed in here and so on. Yeah, we used to come in here and stay overnight. We always kept a record too of when we were in here, sort of a log book here. If you go back through the pages here, it'll tell you what the weather was like at certain times and how many beaver I caught, and it's all listed in there.
Here's October 6, 1999. Gone down river today. Oh, someone was held up here in a storm.
Yeah.
Thanks for the shelter.
Yeah.
The year Harrison was born, Grandpa and I four-wheelered in here.
Oh,
And there wasn't even a trail.
Yeah, over all that brush.
Oh, it was crazy.
Yeah.
And then we flew in with my dad and Harrison. That was last year. And that's when he decided he was going to start working on the trail. Brought the crew in here and put a new roof on and new siding, and spent quite a bit of time out here last fall. And then we set traps with Harrison.
Yeah.
October 19th, we checked them. We got 8 that day. And then you came again, you and Harrison, and got 7.
Yeah.
I think this year's going to be better.
Activity
We've also
this year.
got some fantastic reading material out here. They left their newspapers. This is the Dryden Observer from 1981. There's a whole stack of them, and they are fantastic.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, it's great.
We had them in here for starting the fire, but I mean...
But now we can't burn them.
Yeah, it's a shame to burn them because we get a lot of history in those papers too.
Yeah. We had... Oh.
Macintosh first arriving in
wow,
Dryden
yeah.
in the 80s.
Yeah, so cool. You could get a thigh buster for like 1995.
Good deal.
We got these traps set the other day there, and we're going to go down now and see if we can't pick up a few rats there. And we had that high wind the last couple of days. A lot of our sets might be dislocated. I don't know, we may not even find them all, but we're going to go find out anyway and see if we can't pick up a few of them. And we're going down the beautiful Wabigoon.
Well, this is not where we set it.
No, not where we put it, no.
But we're lucky to have found it. Yeah. What do you think? Is there going to be a muskrat on this
I don't think there's anything on there.
blown away trap?
Yep, Mommy, look at the muskrat. We caught one. Oh my god. Where did it look?
She sees it. What do you think? 1 or 2? One.
One for the bucket.
Don't lose a boot.
Is there a muskrat?
Oh man.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Right.
I don't want to hit my hand in there. Hey,
Yeah.
1 every time. All right, throw it in the bucket. I think this one might have 2. 1. There's definitely 1 on there.
Yes.
I think I hit it.
Okay.
And there is.
Double.
A double?
Wait, double?
A double.
Oh, there's 2.
Nice. Oh no, our first one with nothing.
Nothing.
Wow.
That's a little guy.
So, back when Grandma used to spend time here at the cabin,
Yeah, she looked comfortable.
yeah, she left her, well, she probably knit them herself, her slippers. So we're going to see if we can, we'll see if we can stretch them out and Adam can use these as socks.
Probably better than this.
Sorry about this, Grandma. Very well made.
We have socks.
Thank you, Grandma.
And lined boots, extra boots.
Wow.
Oh man.
So,
Trapper is always prepared.
yeah. That's a bit nicer than what I was just dealing with.
It's only a very narrow channel to go in there, so
We're driving right over it.
I can see the rope here. I'll get it.
Oh, there is.
One rat in it. I didn't really expect anything in these because
We didn't set them very well.
no, they weren't set very good. Well, you have to get them right in the tunnel. If you don't, you won't get very much in them. And it was so windy and so hard to get in there. Stay close to the feed bed. That's the deepest part. right underneath, or over this
There it is.
side.
Dylan's got it. Oh, Dylan!
I think there's.
No way!
Bonanza.
Wow.
Yeah. 4 of them in there, eh? Yeah. That was a little closer to the good spot there.
Wow. Is that good for a funnel trap? 4?
No,
Oh,
no.
he says that's not very good.
If you had it in the right spot there, you'd get about 7 or 8 in it.
What's the incentive to go into a funnel trap in the
There's
first
no
place?
incentive, just you just get it where they swim.
Oh, okay. They don't go in there for any reason.
No. Ah, double.
Nice. Oh, I see it.
You see it where?
Yeah, I see one log of it.
Oh no!
And the stick.
I would have done that. I called it. The bottom was really messy.
Yeah, Grandpa's very steady on his feet.
One rat there anyway.
Nice. At least we're not skunked.
Yes.
Okay, now we just got to get Grandpa back in the boat.
Yeah, that's the big part getting in. One leg is no problem. It's getting the second leg in that's nothing.
Oh,
This one,
skunked.
both traps are sprung from the wind, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we go.
Hey, got one. Again, he's in both traps. Grandpa, when you lived in Nova Scotia and first started trapping, was it muskrat that you were
Muskrats and mink and
Oh, and mink.
yeah, and foxes.
And you were how old?
I don't know, 8 or 9 years old.
8 or 9.
Yeah,
So that's
I wasn't much, not much bigger than in Harrison.
so it was about 85 years ago.
Yeah, yeah. Just go slow along that shoreline.
Go down the shoreline. Okay.
Yeah, just go slow. See if we can find that other one. No, I started with one muskrat trap.
And didn't you sleep on the top of your
So I
shed?
slept on top of the shed, and I would listen for the trap to go off, and the muskrat would splash in the water when he jumped in, and I'd go down and take him out and reset the trap and do that all night long.
Kids those days were built different.
Watch yourself. I'm going to pull this up a little.
Yeah, and look at this one, buddy. 4 of them swam in here. All right, what a haul, guys. That's amazing. Okay, now you can look at Adam. I'm done. Wow, that's awesome.
Get them home now, we have to take and wash them all off and get all the Wabigoon mud off them and dry the fur off. Because before you put them on a drying board, you have to dry the fur so that it doesn't mat on there. And get them on the drying board and leave them on there for a day or two and take them off and they'll be ready for market. How many was there?
I think we got about 18, yeah.
Yeah. Which is not very good. And a lot of times with those trap sets we have, you'll get doubles, you know. But this time, because the wind has set the traps off, the wave action sprung the trap, a lot of the traps, so they weren't effective anymore. But we've done pretty good anyway, considering the weather we had. It was an experience for the kids anyway, and I always enjoy it, so it's always a pleasure to get out there on the water and do something like that.
Last year was our first time going out. It was Grandpa and I and Harrison. And that's all Harrison could talk about for the next year was, when are we going muskrat trapping again? When are we going again? And then this year he'll take part in helping Grandpa skin them and get the furs ready for market. Yeah. And then he already told his teachers he's going to be bringing in a tanned fur. So we'll have to tan one for him. He can't wait to tell his classmates about it.
Yeah.
And
he gets pretty excited about it. Yeah. So which is great. You know, it's great to see it's great to see somebody that age that's interested in the outdoors like this, and it makes me feel good to see that there's somebody left in the country that does that, you know.
And now that we have the cabin all fixed up,
Yeah.
it's a place for us to go, and we can always bring the kids here. And
Yeah, good beaver trapping in here. It always has been. Always been good for muskrats, otter, and mink. It's always nice to work on a river like this because you always have quiet areas where you can go. A lot of creeks coming in and everything where you can go set up for beaver and whatnot. Get out of the wind, and pretty nice.